I'm trying to get all the pieces of the puzzle together. It says right here in the statement, I knew it would happen.
Coming this summer is the 3D supernatural horror thriller Final Destination 5. The film stars Nick D'Agosto, Miles Fisher, and Emma Bell, and is directed by Stephen Quayle. The rumor is that the film will be a little darker than the first 4 and not have any of the comedic element that was infused in the first series of films. In Final Destination 5, death is unleashed after one man's premonition saves a group of friends from a frightening bridge collapse. But this group was never supposed to survive, and in a race against time, they attempt to escape death's evil agenda. Emma Bell plays Molly, and she talks about her character.
Molly is sort of your typical, she's a really girly girl, sort of, she lives in a small town. She's very comfortable in that fact. I don't think she ever really wants to move to a big city or wants to be part of something bigger. I think she's very comfortable being in the town that her family grew up in and she grew up in. And she's desperately in love with Sam, who's the main character, but she knows that he dreams bigger than she ever could.
Nicholas D'Agosto plays Sam, and he talks about the diversity of the cast.
Honestly, this has been one of the best casts I've ever worked with, and it's partly because it's pretty diverse. You know, there's a few girls. There's to help balance like the heavy testosterone, like that you'll end up doing lots of guy films or whatever, and there's one girl in them. And so there's wonderful girls, and the guys are funny and bring different things to the table.
Final Destination 5 is in 3D, and it finds its journey's end into theaters on August 12th.
And then one by one, death comes for them all.